have to arrange the conference either online or physical. You have to make your team to have your volunteer interns or your group team work to decide the work of that, who can be a marketing, who can be advertise, who can be a graphic designer, video. So it's same part there, but there is a no physical that you have to keep food arrangement, transport arrangement, or something that you just need to automate your system. So you need to have something marketing team. You have to some people have expertise and know of graphical video, and people have arranging of online queries to answer, to run the hosting and shows for the conference, and lead as an announcer, as a presenter for the conference, and it's keep engaging more better. So conference is one of the people are coming with a number of things and expectation and intention for it. So your teamwork and your team and all the things will be done by your team, and its conference will be successful. If your team will be loose or something have lack of in your planning, so conference may be lose, or impression for the second conference will be not interested people. So you need to tie up your things that everywhere and each of everything going on their pace and better engagement on conferences. So you have to decide it what the expert team, either from networking side also you need there, but on the network side you do not need to be have, because there are something on social media, they are directly connect with StreamYard, Zoom meetings, they are strongly have better softwares. So I will guide on next video all about how and which softwares are better and most engagement in conferences and webinars and seminars, and this will be how can to engage which tool for desktop sharings, like we have to in sharing the number of presentation, the same is in the conference what we have to share on the screens. So let's drive to the next video what will be the software and application used for online conferences. Thank you.